Top 10 World's Hottest Peppers. Not everyone can handle the heat from peppers, but some people can eat the hottest or spiciest of foods without even being harmed. But those people have probably never eaten the world's hottest peppers. Pepper's heat is rated in a unit called Scoville Heat Unit, or SHU. It tells the level of how spicy or hot the pepper is. Number 10. Red Savina Habanero, 500,000 SHU. The habanero used to be considered the hottest pepper in the world, until many more peppers began popping up and being crossbred with each other. The only reason this pepper can even make the list of the top 10 hottest peppers in the world is because of the chili flavor it gives when you use it while cooking.